next topic is death of a partner. The accounting treatment of death of a partner is similar to the retirement of a partner. Let us discuss the difference between death of a partner and retirement of a partner. Okay, there are mainly three differences. The first one, retirement may be planned but not death. So a partner may plan about his date of retirement, but in case of death, it may occur at any time of the year. Yes or no? It is not a pre-planned. Understand? And the next point is that payment of amount due. The amount due to the retiring partner is paid to him. If the organization or the continuing partners agreed to pay in installment, means the amount due will be transferred to retiring partner's loan account. Yes or no? But in case of death of a partner, the amount due to the deceased partner will be paid to the legal representatives of deceased partner. Understand? Accounting treatment of deceased partner's executor's account is same as the accounting treatment of retiring partner's loan. Understand? And the journal entry for transferring amount from deceased partner's capital account to deceased partner's executor's account is now deceased partner's capital account to deceased partner's executor's account. In retirement also we studied the amount due to the retiring partners may transfer to his loan account. In such cases, what entry we studied? The retiring partner's capital account to retiring partner's loan account. Instead of loan here, executor. Understand? Executors means what is the meaning? Legal representative of that particular deceased partner. Understand? And the third point is that share of profit. Okay, paying share of profit is also very difficult because the calculation of profit in between the accounting year is very difficult. So usually the firms may calculate the share of profit based on previous year's profit or sales. Understand? The profit is paid to the deceased partner. The journal entry is profit and loss suspense account to deceased partner's capital account. That means share of profit paid to deceased partner. Why we are mentioning this profit and loss suspense account instead of profit and loss account? As we know, profit and loss account is also known as the income statement of organization and which is prepared at the end of the accounting year. Yes or no? So for settlement of deceased partner, what we will be using? We will be using a separate account, that is profit and loss suspense account. It is a temporary account. At the end of the year, when we prepare profit and loss account, we will transfer this profit and loss suspense account to profit and loss appropriation account. Yes or no? What is the meaning of profit and loss appropriation account? The account which shows the appropriation of profit. Understand? Next topic is calculation of deceased partner's share of profit. So how to calculate the deceased partner's share of profit? As I told you, it takes place in between the accounting year. So calculation is very difficult. We can calculate on two bases, as I told you. The first one on time basis and the second one on turnover basis. Okay, let's discuss one by one. The first one on time basis. Under time basis, we will be utilizing two values only. That are the first one, profit earned last year. That means last year's profit, and the time period. Okay, time period means from last balance sheet to till the death of the partner. Okay, that time period also we require. So how to calculate means deceased partner share of profit is equal to last year's profit multiply time period up to death multiply deceased partner's share. Okay, let us discuss the question. As per the question, X, Y and Z were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. The profits of the firm for the year ending 31st December 2018 was 2,40,000. That means as per the last accounts, it shows 2,40,000. Last year's profit was 2,40,000. Said dies on 31st May 2019. That means after how many months? January, they started new accounting year now. January, February, March, April, May, 5 months. So at the end of 5th month, Said died. Okay, and Said's share of profit till his death, taking last year's profit as base. So they asked me to calculate that sets share of profit based on last year's profit. Okay, as we know, here we required the profit and last year, that is given in question, and the next one time period we required now. So tell me here time period. Time period is equal to, how to calculate time period from 1st January 2019 to 31st May 2019. Yes or no? That he can get the profit for 5 months only. Okay. So here only 5 months. That means from 1st January 2019 to 31st May 2019. Okay. So let's calculate sets share of profit. Sets share of profit is equal to last year's profit, that is 2,40,000 multiply time period. Time period is 5 months now. 5 by 12 multiply his share. What is his share? 2 by 10. Yes or no? 1 by 5. Okay. Then 12, 2. That is 20,000 is his share of profit. Understand? So his share of profit is 20,000. What is the journal entry for paying the share of profit to set profit and loss suspense account debtor to sets capital account? Amount is 20,000. Being sets share of profit transferred to his capital account. Understand? That is the narration for it. So let us understand how to calculate the profit of deceased partner on the basis of turnover or a sale. So under this case we required three items. The first one, previous year's sales we required, and previous year's profit we required, and the next one, current year's sales up to the death of deceased partner. Understand? How to calculate means deceased partner share of profit is equal to previous year's profit divided by previous year's sales multiply current year's sales up to death. Current year's sales up to death multiply deceased partner share. So it is easy to calculate here. Current year's sales up to death. Profit calculation up to death is difficult, whereas sales it will be up to date in the organization. So directly they can take. Yes or no? So let us do a numerical. Here A, B and C were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. All ratio is given, A:2:B:C, 5:3:2, and A dies on 31st May 2018. Okay, and what happened? The sales and profit for the year ending 31st December 2017. You tell me what is the accounting year then? 1st January 2018 to 31st December 2018. Yes or no? So the previous year is 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017. Yes or no? So last year's profit is given in question, that is 80,000, and last year's sales 4 lakh. Understand? And the sales up to 31st May 2018, that is current year's sales up to the death of A. Okay, it is also given 1,50,000. They asked him to calculate the profit. So how to calculate the profit of deceased partner based on turnover basis? Because here nothing is specified whether you have to follow turnover basis or a previous year's profit based, but it is given in question that the sales also mentioned. Understand? So if it is mentioned, then we have to follow which method? Calculation of profit on the basis of turnover or a sale. So as per that, A's share is equal to, that is A's share of profit is equal to, how to calculate previous year's profit, that is 80,000 divided by previous year's sales, that is 4 lakh, and multiply the current year's sales up to death. Okay, that is 1,50,000. Understand? If you do up to this, then you will get the profit of organization till 31st May 2018, and we required A's share of So here we got the total profit of organization up to 31st May. Understand? So A's share will be multiplied 5 by 10. Okay, 15,000. Understand? So what is the profit? A's share of profit 15,000. Tell me the journal entry for giving A's share of profit or transferring to his capital account. Profit and loss suspense account debtor to A's capital account. Yes or no? And the amount is 15,000. 15,000. Okay. What is the narration for this BA? The share of profit transferred, A's share of profit transferred into his capital account. Understand? So, what are the two methods of calculating profit of deceased partner? The first one on the basis of time, and the next one on the basis of sales or turnover.